Hello everyone, you're welcome in Optimistic Aspirant YouTube channel. Today we will discuss session 30 and 31st of World Power Made Easy English vocabulary with synonyms and antonyms. So let's start. The first word is uxorious. It means having or showing a great or excessive fondness for one's wife. In Hindi, it is Joru ka Gulam. Example, he is regarded by many to be very uxorious spouse. Next word, marital. It means of or relating to marriage. In Hindi, it is vaivahik. Synonyms are conjugal and antonyms are non-marital. Example, they have been having marital problems apparently. So, next word is premarital. Premarital, occurring or existing before marriage. In Hindi, it is Vivahpurn. Synonyms are prenuptial and antonyms are postnuptial. Example, perhaps premarital Westerners tended to be more people living nature. Next word, regal. It means of resembling or fit for a monarch, especially in being magnificent or dignified. In Hindi, it is Shahi. Synonyms are kingly or majestic, and antonyms are plebeian. Example, he made a regal entrance. Next word, monomaniac. It is a person who is extremely interested in only one thing, often to such a degree that they are mentally ill. Example, he was a monomaniac who was not entirely responsible for his action. Next word, iconoclast. It is means someone who attacks cherished ideas or traditional institutions. Synonyms are nonconformist, skeptic, and antonyms are believer or conformist. Example, the church leader was deemed an iconoclast when he spoke out against his religious view. Next word, dipsomania. It is an uncontrollable craving for alcoholic liquors. In Hindi, it is शराब की लत या हुड़क. Example, I hope he is not a dipsomania. Next word, kleptomania. A persistent neurotic impulse to steal, especially without economic motive. In Hindi, it is चोरी करने की बीमारी. Synonyms are pilferer and neurotic. Example, kleptomania contains a number of hidden tricks. Next word, pyromania, an obsessive desire to set fire to things. Example, the person arrested for setting the fire had been suspected of pyromania on two previous occasions. Next word, incendiary. It means designed to cause fires. Example, the soldiers were trained to deal with incendiary attacks. Next word, arsonist. It is a person who intentionally starts a fire in order to damage or destroy something, especially a building. Example, investigators believe an arsonist set the wildfires that burned 20,000 acres of land. Next word, megalomania. It is a mental illness or condition in which somebody has much greater belief in their own importance or power than is reasonable. Example, the dictator was suffering from megalomania. Next word, claustrophobia. It means fear of being in closed spaces. Example, he suffers from claustrophobia, so he never travels on underground trains. Next word, agoraphobia. It is a morbid fear of open spaces. In Hindi, it is खुले स्थान का डर. Example, I developed agoraphobia and could not leave the flat. Next word, acrophobia. It is extreme or irrational fear of heights. In Hindi, ऊंचाई का डर. Example, many people suffer from very serious acrophobia. Next word, atheist. It is a person who does not believe in the existence of a god. In Hindi, it is Nastik. Synonyms are non-believer and antonyms are believer. Example, the atheist wrote a novel disproving the existence of higher power. Next word, agnostic. It is a person who is not sure if God exists or not. In Hindi, it is Sansayvadi. Synonyms are doubter. Example: you grew up in agnostic household and have never been able to bring yourself to believe in God. Next word: diagnosis. The act of saying exactly what illness a person has or what the cause of problem is. In Hindi, it is रोगी की रोग और समस्या के कारण को पहचानने की क्रिया. Example: she is an expert in the diagnosis and treatment of eye diseases. Next word: prognosis. It is a judgment about how something is likely to develop in the future. Example: the prognosis after the operation was for a full recovery. Next word: monotheism. It is the belief that there is only one God. In Hindi, it is एक ही ईश्वर में विश्वास. Example: we are acquiring and understanding the history of monotheism. Next word: polytheism. It is the belief in or worship of more than one God. In Hindi, it is अनेक देवताओं में विश्वास. Example: many ancient civilizations believed in polytheism and worshipped numerous gods. Next word: pantheism. It is the belief that God exists in all natural things. In Hindi, समस्त प्रकृति में ईश्वर के अस्तित्व का विश्वास. Example: individuals who believe in pantheism maintain that God and the universe are the same being. Next word: theology. It is the study of religion. In Hindi, it is धर्मशास्त्र. Synonyms are pantheism and antonyms are atheism. Example: he read theology at university. Next word: hypochondria. It is a mental condition in which somebody believes that he or she is ill even when there is nothing wrong. In Hindi, it is रोगी होने का भ्रम. Example: later she heard that her virulent hypochondria had turned into real illness. Next word: hypercritical. It is excessively or unreasonably critical, especially of small faults. In Hindi, it is Ati Gambhir. Synonyms are overcritical or capious, and antonyms is uncritical. Example: journalist can fall into the trap of being hypercritical. Next word: hypertension. It is a common disorder in which blood pressure remains abnormally high. Example: obesity correlates with increased risk for hypertension and stroke. Next word: so here video ends. If you like this video, then please like and share, and if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel Optimistic Aspirant, and for PDF you can also join my Telegram channel Optimistic Aspirant.